how far they're running. Oh yeah.
Yep. This is like our start, just dribble. Oh, looks like there was a collision. Is there a collision?
And the Gold Star is just wash. Oh, there they go. And they're still running on the gold start of the North American.